Snow in Florida. A major winter storm slammed the U.S. Gulf Coast Tuesday, blanketing parts of a region largely unaccustomed to extreme winter weather with record-breaking snowfall. The storm impacted 1,500 miles of the Deep South from the Texas Gulf Coast to the Atlantic coast of the Carolinas, causing widespread closures and travel disruptions, including stranded motorists and thousands of canceled flights. The storm, along with the brutal cold that helped cause it, is blamed for at least 11 deaths. The snowfall has left several people in Florida fully flabbergasted, as many have never seen snow in the Sunshine State. The cold is sticking around, keeping slippery conditions in place and causing many challenges. Many cities are begging residents to stay home and avoid driving as the sun melts snow that then refreezes, increasing the danger on roadways.
I mean, there's really no other way to describe it other than surreal, because I can't imagine my 15 years of storm chasing ever covering a storm to this caliber along the Gulf Coast. I mean, along I-10 and crossing into Pensacola Beach last night, it was near blizzard conditions in Florida of all places. That's just two things that don't seem like they should go hand in hand, but with this particular storm, they certainly did. And that's why we call it a once-in-generational storm, because it just does not happen. This area got anywhere between 6 to 8 inches of snow. A couple of the bridges do remain closed back over to the mainland, and the main one crossing over the Pensacola Bay still remains closed this morning with no ETA to be open, and I expect the same to be the case along I-10. While the sun is out, though, it's helping to melt a little bit of that snow. However, that doesn't mean we're out of the woods yet, guys. When this melts tonight, when those temperatures fall back, this is all going to refreeze and create a whole lot of problems as the evening goes on. And a lot of times after the storm is when we run into the bigger issues with those car accidents, because people let their guard down, they start venturing out, and then it catches them off guard. I haven't seen a single snowplow. I have not seen really a single effort to be able to clear this off, because it simply just doesn't exist. The main priority with what few plows that they have are going to be for Interstate 10. And before they can get to these areas, they have to make sure that that's cleared and running, because that's a main artery that goes from east to west. So I would expect you know, unfortunately, these seems to remain for at least the next day or two before they can start catching up on a lot of these county highways and side roads. And it's very interesting seeing this much snow and not hearing a single snowblower, not seeing a single snow shovel, and not seeing a single snowplow, because they don't need it down here. They don't know what to do in order to clean all this mess up.